Not equal. This matter doesn't make it. We are not going to. No. I thought we have repented. We are not going to work with that system.
Sorry?
We are not going to work with that system. We are going in the chambers.
Yeah, I'm just following the register. It's nothing new. Don't be angry with me.
No. Don't play your tricks. You must do away with the monkey tricks.
Don't talk to me like that.
It's my second family.
Yeah, don't talk to me like that.
When I say monkey tricks, you must deal with it.
Monkey tricks.
No. I don't need a monkey trick.
The judge said last time everything must be in chambers. But monkey
Yes, you must go in the chamber. No, I'm talking to you like that because you're behaving in the wrong way. You don't show like you are a DPP.
Whether they allow Advocate Teffo to see him before court commences.
To see that?
Yeah. Isn't it that you're seeing judge about the same matter, the CBI matter? Is it a different case?
I'm expecting the highest professionalism of the highest order. I spoke to the prosecutor and I spoke to my colleagues here that as normal and as is the tradition of the court, if there is anything that needs to be addressed and cannot be addressed in the court publicly, because this court is so west, because it's different. The proceedings here are being broadcasted, you see. So my request was that we need to see, are you listening? Yeah. So that we can deliver the message without any dissipation. So that we should first see the judge in chambers, because the reason we are here, myself and my instruction attorney are here, that need to be discussed first in the chambers with the judge. It's a protocol, and that indication of me as the court officer showing the highest respect to this honorable court, that there are other issues that you cannot just say in the open court, whereas this one is televised. That's the request I did. And then I've agreed with my colleagues here before Advocate Valoy came here. When Advocate Valoy came here, I told him also in my introduction to him, then he said, okay, it's fine. He will wait for the secretary. Now what you are coming up with, flabbergasted. You see? So no, without any argument, I'm saying that we need to go to the chambers of the judge before this case can commence. That's a message that we can deliver back to the judge.
Okay.
Thank you.
So can you